Hello guys, it's AKL. Today we are going to talk about a game corporation which doesn't need an introduction. Yes, the Ubisoft. Ubisoft, commonly known as the best AAA third-party game publisher in the world. Talking about its origin, it's founded by the five Guillemot brothers. Their father owned a supply business for farmers in countryside. The Guillemot brothers finished their college studies and they take over the father's business and started to notice continued losses. After researching the market, they realized buying computer software games and reselling them on France can be very profitable. So they took their father's business assets and invest in business where they can resell computer software and games. In short time, they noticed there is a major welcome to games. So in 1986, they started a game publishing company called Ubisoft. The breakthrough hadn't happened until 1995 with the release of the Rayman. Because of its success, they decided to go public and gathered $80 million. In next 3 years, they started 4 new studios. But to get into the USA market, they had to wait. Time was right and things were getting changed. The trend of public using internet was blooming. Ubisoft decided to use this as an opportunity, so they invested themselves in a category of free-to-play. Because of this act, their share value became 5 times bigger. With that value, they led them into the North Carolina, USA, and proved themselves by releasing the Rainbow Six in 1998. In the year 2002, Ubisoft was listed as top 10 independent publisher in the world. Only in 2003, they faced their first of the game called Beyond Good and Evil. It was time to launch their online portal in 2005. The year was 2007 and it was time to release their masterpiece, the Assassin's Creed franchise. From then on, even in the third world countries started to know their name. This franchise been continued as 9 games in 8 years. Not many know this. Before the last few Assassin's Creed and the first Watch Dogs, they are having an issue about not having enough server for Rainbow's multiple player modes. This is where we look up to them. As soon as they know about the server issue, they not only fixed it but also managed to keep their Rainbow series gamers happy by continuing the game for 4 straight years. As soon as they finished the issue, there was a threat coming. It was coming for the directing board. It's a corporate giant called Windy Corporation, the parent company of many influenced and multinational companies. They bought as much as share to take over the directing board. For Windy Corporation, it wasn't the only gaming company in their eyes. In 2016, they bought 30% of the Gameloft shares and issued their did a hostile takeover. While Windy Corporation busy with the Gameloft, Yves Guillemot, the CEO, did everything in his power to keep the company by buying a 20% of the share in total. But Windy Corporation wasn't holding back. They announced they have 23% of the share and they are the right people to lead the directing board. Yves Guillemot, CEO, argued saying, Windy Corporation is a competitor, not ally. This speech worked and many directing board members started to join Yves Guillemot. Windy Corporation minds were made up. They were buying a lot of share to be first to own 30% of the whole share, so they can do a tender offer. In 2016 December, Windy Corporation owned 27.15% in total. Windy Corporation was excited to face the year 2017. Then Yves Guillemot released the quarter success result sheet and made clear that their takeover won't work. After a number of negotiations, not only Windy Corporation convinced not to take control of the directing board, but to sell 30 million shares to others. Also made sure they won't be buying any shares for next 5 years. In that process, Chinese game giant Tencent owned 10% of Ubisoft shares, and they helped to reach the world's biggest gaming market, China. The celebration was only there after the success of Division and the Watch Dogs 2. In the end, many digital game journalists felt free to mention and write Ubisoft as the EA Sports defeater. The success of Ubisoft is unstoppable. Thanks to Yves Guillemot and his team's nature of listening to the feedback and replaying it by building a better game. Now they have 40 studios in 55 countries all around the world. Thank you guys. This is all for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, this is AK.